If your photos are looking grainy, noisy, or rough because of high ISO or low light, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to denoise in Lightroom Mobile while still keeping your image sharp and natural. This is one of the best quick fixes for phone photos, night shots, indoor portraits, and any image that needs a cleaner, smoother look without turning it into a plastic mess. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and tap the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, go down to the Detail panel. This is where you'll find the settings that control sharpening and noise reduction. If you want to clean up grain properly, this is the section you need. Start by increasing noise reduction, also called luminance. A good starting range is around 20 to 50, depending on how noisy the photo is. If your image has just a little grain, keep it lower. If it was shot in very low light or at a high ISO, you may need to push it a bit more. As you increase it, watch the image closely. You want to reduce noise, but not erase every bit of texture. Next, adjust color noise reduction. This helps remove those small colored specks that can appear in shadows or dark areas. Set this around 20 to 40 as a starting point. Usually, a moderate amount is enough to clean up the image and make it look much smoother. After that, look at luminance detail. This setting helps recover texture after noise reduction, and it's very important if you don't want your photo to look too soft. A good range is around 40 to 60. If the photo starts looking overly smooth, raise the detail a little. If the noise is still too visible, you can lower it slightly, but always balance it with the luminance setting. Now, lightly increase sharpening. A small boost of about 10 to 20 can help bring back clarity after denoising. Don't overdo it, because too much sharpening can bring the noise right back or make edges look harsh. The goal is to keep the image crisp, not crunchy. Here's an optional but very useful trick. Use masking with the brush tool to apply noise reduction only to darker areas. This is especially helpful because noise usually shows up more in shadows than in bright parts of the photo. By targeting only those problem areas, you can preserve sharpness in the important parts of the image while still cleaning up the rough spots. The key here is balance. If you add too much noise reduction, the photo can start looking soft, blurry, or plastic. If you add too much sharpening, the grain can become more visible again. So take your time, zoom in, and make small adjustments until the photo looks clean but still natural. And that's how to denoise in Lightroom Mobile the right way. A few simple adjustments in the Detail panel can make a huge difference in your final edit. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Lightroom Mobile editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.